Today's video, tomatoes. I have my tray all prepped. It's been out here in the sun getting nice and warm, and I have gone through and done the most important thing, which is label. So I am doing several different varieties, and I'm going to do about 10 start 10 of each variety. So we shall just start going along. So my first one up, they're stuck in here. A little bit of static, and I do sometimes store a little bit of rice in with my seeds, so let's get those out. Okay, so these are my chocolate cherry. These are the seeds that I saved last year, so we're just going to drop it right in there. Next up, I have the Costofuto tomato, and I got this in a seed swap, and I'll do that in a minute because I don't have the scissors. Oops. And next up is the pink Berkley tie-dye. So, and now I always put, if I have less than the full 10 seeds, and I will mark down if I only have 8 or 6, so I'm not staring at these little soil blocks waiting for something to come up if there's nothing planted there. And if I have, I don't think I have a lot like this, but in some of my others, if I don't have enough to fill up a section, then I'll just kind of go in with something that's easy to spot. Like on this, I might throw in some basil. Okay, then next up I have the White Russian. And again, I forgot scissors, so I'll grab scissors for those in a minute. And then next up are the Black Krim. So those are in this little baggie. Next up, ones I'm really excited about trying this year, they are Brad's Atomic Grape. I got these from the seed bank. I looked in swaps, no one else seemed to have them, and then I noticed the seed bank had some, and I was like, oh yeah. So, getting little tiny seeds out of a tiny, there's like static, and they just do not want to come out. Get over there. Okay, so I did get the container open, and these are the Costofuto tomatoes. They look kind of like a red, like a big red accordion shaped Italian style tomato. Ones that I don't have a lot of the seeds of, I will only be putting one in each cell. And then if I have some that don't germinate, and I have a few extras, I can go back in then. I don't want to waste my seeds. And then the other is the Russian white cherry tomatoes. I wasn't sure if those were full size or not because they were all rolled up. So we have some more cherry tomatoes. So that'll be fun to try. Oh my god, these little bags. So we got one half all done, and now we're going to start on the pink Brandywine, and I'm not sure how many seeds are in this one, so we will check, and I will mark down. Oh yeah, I think we got 10 in there. Most seed swaps you do about 10 of each tomato, but sometimes if someone doesn't have very many, they won't be able to put as many in. Oh, that one's got 2 seeds stuck together, so. Okay, next up are the sweet pea currant. So these are like super tiny, really cute. These are old seeds, so I might do 2 in each. Okay, then next up I have my ground cherries. These are also some older seeds, but I've had really good germination with them, so keep going. I got quite a few in the pack. The first one is because I'm not sure how many of the mortgage lifter I'm going to do. So my Aunt Molly Tomatillo. Now down here I'm going to do the chocolate cherry with the ones from the package. We'll see if there's a difference. And then I think I'm just going to do I'm going to do 3 rows of the mortgage lifter, and that gives me 1 row left to see if there's something else up there I want to try. I did have a few others that I hadn't brought out because I wasn't sure exactly how much room I was going to have. So the money maker, they're not, I didn't see those. Okay, so I'm going to leave. Okay, and then the last row, I'm going to do the moneymaker tomatoes that I got from a seed swap as well, and they're still upstairs because I just had them out to give to someone else in another seed swap I was doing. So I also have this cranberry hibiscus. So this you just grow for the foliage, so I think I'm going to be planting it in the other container, but I'm not ready to start any of the rest of my seeds quite yet. Just the tomatoes, and then next week I'll probably get into production of more of the warm season flowers. Thanks for watching.